Oktay, we are at Busworld Turkey. What is your communication this year? What are you exhibiting and how has been the response?
Once again, as you said, we are at the Busworld exhibition. So we are frequently participating in the Busworld here in Turkey and Belgium, and it was also in India we were participating. But this year we have brought new displays. We have widened our range of displays. So we had, as usual, 4.3-inch display and 7-inch display. Now we have 10-inch, besides 10-inch, 8-inch also special production, 12-inch and 12-inch wide display. With this, we are starting also supply or offer camera monitoring systems, CMC systems, because we have the capability now. Our R&D office in India, in Izmir, they are now developing a camera system. They already have new displays which has been developed. Camera is on the way, so we are going to be able to provide the complete solution for CMC system. This is the new product that we are launching. We have some small additions of the handles this year. We have provided one missing part that mainly was requested for small glove box enclosures with locking or without locking. So we have added that product in our range as usual. So we are offering to our customers a full range of one key solution system for all bus related locking mechanism.
How is the business in Turkey across your product portfolio? You said about the television sets, 4 inches, 7 inches, and beyond that. Also the key lock and latches and the handles. How do you see the business growing for you in Turkey?
We are lucky because, as you know, Turkey became bus manufacturing hub for the European Union. Most of the large bus manufacturers has moved to Turkey, their plants, which they had already. They enlarged their existing plant. And also, our advantage is we were always a supplier of them. Even though they didn't have a plant in Turkey, we were supplying their plant in Germany or Czech Republic or in France. So that was an advantage because we have already knowledge and continuity of the product line. We are supplying directly in Turkey, which is much easier for us transportation-wise or the custom-wise. And besides that, bus sector is doing well. It's kind of regaining the momentum that we have lost after the COVID years. So we are experiencing a higher demand from the bus division, which is resulting in our turnover also in positive way.
You mentioned about Turkey becoming the manufacturing hub. So not just the domestic demand, but the manufacturing for Europe has increased.
Yes.
How have you been growing year on year, and which are the manufacturers that you work with that exports?
Traditionally, we are working with all manufacturers, like MAN we are working with, coach businesses and city buses. We do work with Mercedes, Daimler, coaches, city buses. Temsa is a local manufacturer. Iveco is also being manufactured over Otokar facility in Adapazarı. So we are also supplying directly to Otokar. These are benefiting us because that gives us an advantage of on-time delivery performance. We were having some difficulties because of the distance, because of the custom problems, maybe because of the weather. Sometimes it was snowy, roads were blocked. But now in Turkey, we don't face such issues. So there is uninterrupted supply chain we created for our customers.
And what manufacturing and design advantage you give to the OEMs and the customers that work with you? What is the competitive edge that you bring to the table?
Our advantage also lays within our method of manufacturing. We are an integrated manufacturer, first of all. So we do make our own tools. We have a development department. We do tooling. We do designing. So customers, they might come to us with their specific requirements. We can develop the product for them, and then we can bring to the serial production. Right now, with another large manufacturer of coach in Turkey, we are developing a new type of handle, a new design, a different approach to the handle. So they are telling us their requirements. We are working on the engineering side. We are coming up with the product. They are making their comments, and then we are revising it. So we are bringing the product to the perfect shape, and afterwards we will be starting serial production. That's how we will benefit.
For Turkey as well as European requirement and even Asia, do you have manufacturing location close to the OEM, to the customer, or you have
Only one. Unfortunately, we have only one production facility. We are still planning creating a production facility in India because the Indian market is strong also with the buses, and India also very high import duties for the products that we are exporting to India. So it will be very wise to create a production facility in India. We are still doing the how we say it, research and investigation for the feasibility reports. If it is going to bring extra cost, additional cost, it will or increase our turnover in India. So after the decision taken, probably we will be creating another production place for mechanical parts. We call it latches and handles in India for Indian market.
and what are your near to medium term goals for all the different markets? How are you positioning yourself across the portfolio in terms of cost efficiency, volume, and quality of products?
I mean, quality of products, undisputably, Makersan has a very good reputation. We are going to be maintaining that reputation, and we are aiming to become, our target is to become global brand, known by all coach manufacturers worldwide, and also being able to supply every coach manufacturer in every corner of the world in the future. That's our target, our goal for the near future.
Perfect. Oktay, thank you so much for your time.
My
Appreciate
pleasure.
your spending
My
time
pleasure.
with us, and all the best.
Thank you again.